Video was taken last February 24th, 2019 on my 40th birthday to the Doubtful Sound.
He got a bit upset because he knew the implications it would have on his sheep. Lake Manapouri right ahead of us there. Looking pretty nice today.
We are going for our tour to Doubtful Sound. Yeah. Leaving now.
Into something going horribly wrong, you'll know about it pretty quickly. You'll hear a bang, a crash, or a splash. If you're really lucky, you'll see some pretty little flames.
Such a relaxing view and sceneries in the Doubtful Sound. Haha, I was trying to use my smooth gimbal and it doesn't cooperate at this time.
Now there is heaps of bathrooms in there. I recommend that you use them.
Emergency exits of your vehicle. Now, just so that we know in advance, is anyone planning on having an emergency today? No. Has travelled equates to about 1 metre of elevation. Well, it's a reasonably steep section of...
See?
Out to the Tasman Sea and see what's going on. But as we June, you just never know.
Go Dolphins!
So just keep a good lookout and let us know if you see anything. There is that we call Doubtful Sound. That one arm there is.
We are here at the Doubtful Sound. It's February 24, 2019. 40 years old already. Here at the Doubtful Sound for my birthday. Hi, New Zealand.
Now that's the island over on our left-hand side. It's called Elizabeth Island. It's named after the ship of one of the early Fiord, who was also one of the early settlers.
Wow, look at that.
Predominantly blows straight down into the fjord, so he just didn't want to risk it.
Here at the Doubtful Sound, New Zealand, we are going around and around and around and around.
Anywhere in the world at sea level.
Still reaches
You really only need to take one look at the very dense. So on any given year we can have rain. We call it liquid sunshine. But first of all, it gives us this, it's the reason why we have this landscape in the first place. You do have to be here while it is raining. Left over from the last bit of rain that we had. Over on the left hand world.
The highest waterfall. It's the highest waterfall. And wonderful rainfall. Here's our park. What do we have for lunch? I don't know. Let's open up.
Stated by the sea. So you'll notice here in Fiordland all of our valley.
Doubtful Sound. Thank you for the wonderful day. Goodbye. Kia ora.